Now the super keyword which we have used there. What is the super keyword? Basically this is used in three ways. First way is access parent class constructor. How? Let's see. Use the parent class to use the super keyword to call the constructor of the parent class from the child class constructor. Okay, we are having the animal parent class, we are having one child class. This is the child, this is the parent. We are having the constructor animal, and here we are having the constructor of dog, right? When we create this object of dog, it will automatically call this constructor, right? Now here what we are doing, we are using super keyword, super, just super. Okay, what it will do, it will call the constructor of the parent class, that means this one, and we will get the output, that is animal constructor called. Got it? After that it is printing dog constructor called, dog constructor called. Got it? One question, if we remove the super, what is the output now? Let's see. If we are not having this super keyword, then also it will call the constructor of this parent class first, then it will execute this one. Okay, this is the functionality of Java. Basically whenever we create the object of this dog, it will call the constructor of the parent class and the same class basically, right? So it will be the same output. So now you will say, if we are getting the same output after removing this super, then what is the use of this super keyword, right? Let's say we are having the parameterized constructor. It has some parameter, let's say string name of the animal, right? And it's printing the name. Now if we call this method, only this will print, right? Got it? Because this is a parameterized constructor, we need to call it with the parameter. Here comes the use of super keyword. Here we will be calling super, let's say dog name, anything, Tommy. Okay, Tommy we are passing. So we are passing Tommy in the constructor of the parent class. This is the use case of super. If we create, then default will no more. If we are creating externally, let's say one with this parameter, one without parameter, then it will call the without parameter, right? Or let's copy this, I will show you. See, currently we are having this, we are creating the object of this dog class, right, which is a child class of this animal parent class, right? So within this constructor we are having what? While creating the object, it will call this constructor, and we are using this super keyword, it will call the constructor of the parent class, right? So we are getting this output, animal constructor called, then we are getting dog constructor called, right? Now if we remove this, then run, then also we will get the same output, because when we are creating the object, it will call the constructor of the parent class first, then the dog class. Got it? Now the question is, what is the use case of the super? Let's say in the animal constructor we are having the parameter name. Okay, animal name. Okay, in the name we are passing, let's say Tommy. Got it? Now run it. It is called, right? Tommy is printed. Got it? Now let's say we are having one more constructor without the arguments. Got it? What is happening here? It will call this super, basically constructor with the parameters only. I think it's clear for everyone, right? Now we are simply calling this super keyword without any parameters, so it will run this constructor. that is we need to define it. We already seen this example yesterday. Okay, so it will call this constructor without any parameter. So next is second part is access parent class method. Third one is access parent class field. Okay, this was first one was constructor, second one was method, third one is field. Let's see the second and third. Method. Okay, access parent class method. How we can access the method? Let's say we are having the parent class, we are having sound. In the dog class, it is the child class, we are overriding this sound, right? And we are having this dog bark. The definition is changed, right? Now we need to print this output also. How we can do? We can use the super keyword. Super keyword. How? We can just call super dot sound. It will call the sound function of the parent class. Okay, so we will get this output, that is animal make sound. Then we will get dog barks. Correct. In the main function we are simply creating the object of dog. Got it? This is how we will call the method of the parent class. So this is the example of access parent class method. Now last one is access parent class field, that is the variable. Okay, now again we are having one parent class animal, we are having one variable color. Okay, color, that is white. Now in the child class, what we are doing? Again we are having the color variable, right? That is black. Got it? Now how we can print the color of parent? Using super dot color, right? If you see in this method, dog color is simple color, right? Simple color we are calling. Animal color we are calling super dot color. Using this we will be calling the color variable of the parent class. Got it? Here in the main function we are simply creating the object of dog and calling this method. Clear? I think these points are clear for you. This is the end of the lecture. Now we are having some interview specific we can say points. When to use inheritance, when not to use inheritance. This is the real world example of banking system. Account is there, that is parent class, right? So after that, saving accounts, this will be the child class of the account, right? Account is there, there will be one saving account, one current account. Okay, so some properties will be there, let's say balance, a deposit. So it will be common in these two also, right? So you can see this example in the notes. After that, saving account is a relationship because inheritance is there. Advantages, disadvantages, inheritance versus composition, and this is the summary. That's it for today. You can get these notes in the description.